Hello, everyone. Welcome back to me Party Rosiad, on Pero Cement Techno channel. On this occasion we'll explain about the mining of cement raw materials. In this discussion, we will only explain about the general mining process, and do not explain the mining technique in detail. We will explain using pictures and videos, so that it is easy to understand. The raw materials for making cement are limestone is 80 to 82%, silica sand 12 to 14%, clay 4 to 6% and iron sand 1 to 2%. This depends on the quality of the raw materials produced from the mine, and each location has a different quality. Mining of limestone, silica sand, and clay is generally located near the factory site. This aims to save transportation costs. Watch the video until it's finished, so you can understand the process of mining cement raw materials sequentially. The mining process consists of several activities, including land clearing. This is the activity of clearing trees and stripping the soil layer. The heavy equipment used in this work is a bulldozer. After the soil layer is cleaned, the next process is drilling, which is a drilling activity to make blasting holes. Then, after the holes for the preparation of blasting are as planned, then put explosives into all the holes for blasting. Blasting is an activity of blasting mining materials, which is usually carried out at the hour before the lunch break. This blasting can be done 2 to 4 places at the same time. The next process is loading and hauling, which is the activity of loading material into dump trucks, using heavy equipment shovel excavators, or using wheel loaders. Then the material from the mine is transported to the crusher. Crushing is a mining material processing activity using a crusher to reduce the size of large materials to less than 50 millimeters. There are several types of crushers used in the mining process, including gyratory crushers, hammer crushers, jaw crushers, and impact crushers. The next process is transporting, which is the delivery of mining materials to the storage factory, using an overland conveyor, with a capacity of more than 1,500 tons per hour, and a length of more than 10 kilometers. Stacking the material into storage using a stacker belt conveyor or tripper belt conveyor. Filling method by moving left and right continuously, until the desired material stack height is reached. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it is useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. See you in the next video.